What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode on Holly's Garage. I hope you're having a good one. So, on this week's episode, we're gonna be working on the Subaru again. We'll be taking off this fender right here in hopes to tuck some of those wires behind the fender. So if you'd like to learn how to take the fender off of your Subaru, make sure you watch the rest of this video where I'll show you all the tools and the whole procedure that you need to go through to get that fender off. Also, if you like learning about working on Subarus, on this channel we are doing a whole JDM motor swap series. On the last video, we picked up the JDM motor from JDM of California. On the video before that, we pulled the motor out of my car. So if you'd like to see some of these videos, click right here on this little card. That will take you to the rest of the playlist, or you can click the link in the description after you're done watching this video. Alright guys, I got a lot of work today, so let's get into it. Alright, so for pulling this fender off, all you're going to need is a ratchet, an extension, and a 10mm. All these bolts are going to be 10mm bolts. There's a couple bolts up here, just 1, 2, 3, and then there's going to be 2 that are back here behind the door. If you open the door, you can kind of see them right up in there. And then I think there's one down low too. Yeah, one down low down here. And then it's just those bolts, and then the fender will come right off. So we're going to pull those bolts off and get it off.
Yes, sir.
I think Chris found the last bolt.
Hopefully.
I think you're right, brother. I think this is it.
I hope so. Let's get this thing out.
There might be something like under the side skirt too.
Yeah, it's a possibility, but dude, I done told you, Craig. I done told you.
I done told you, Craig.
I done told you, Craig. Oh, it's about to come out. Boom.
Oh yeah? Does it feel like it's connected down
Oh
here?
yeah, there's something for sure holding it down. Something for sure is holding it down there.
Almost.
One step forward, 2 step back.
So we found the last bolt. It's kind of hidden behind the side skirt. You have to pop off a clip for the side skirt to get back there. And I'm gonna have to go get a new clip for my side skirt.
Yes, it was older than hell and fried.
It is fully broke.
Zoom in on your face. What did you say?
One eternity later.
Alright, man.
Alright,
Pull off that
got the
fender.
last bolt off? Let's go. Hell yeah.
Woo! Victory, bro.
Got our fender off.
Engine swap to go.
Just one more step, just one more.
One more.
One step closer, that's for sure. So basically the reason we wanted to take this fender off is because we're gonna try to relocate this fuse box into the fender well over here and build like a little metal compartment for it, a little metal box, just so we can really tuck the engine bay and everything's nice and hidden. It'll really clean stuff up. So I'm really excited to get going on that. I gotta get going to work in a bit. So that wraps it up for today, but I'll catch you guys right now. The next clip that you see will be tomorrow, and we'll start tucking these wires behind here and making an overall plan of how we're gonna tuck this fuse. My plan so far is to get like an electrical box, like something you'd see on like the side of a house, and put it somewhere in here with the fuse box inside and seal it up from any water so nothing ever gets wet. So if you guys have any ideas for me, definitely put it in the comments below. But yeah, next clip, you'll see us starting on that.
And that's all she wrote, boys.
So now that you guys saw how we took the fender off a few days ago, I'll show you guys what we're gonna be doing today. Basically, we're trying to clean up this wiring a little bit. We're gonna try to relocate the fuse box somewhere over here. We're not too sure exactly where we wanna put it yet. We're also gonna be taking out all this AC stuff, getting this AC condenser out, getting that power steering stuff out, because we got a lot of nice stuff from Chase Bays coming in that we're gonna be putting in. So I'll be putting you guys on a lot of time lapses today and just kind of updating you guys as we go, because we've never taken this stuff out. So we're just gonna be learning along the way as well. I hope you guys enjoy. How do we disconnect this? How do you think this comes off? Screws. This big like wiring harness. I think it's just a big ass plug, you know? Like, I don't know how to get it out. Oh, something is happening. Something is happening. Oh, fuck yeah. So that's that. Let's get it. That was a fatty plug, huh? ABS unit. Got that bitch out. It's really starting to empty up in here, man.
Oh yeah.
Looks good. Excited to paint it. That's when it will really start to like, you know, the vision that I've been having for the car will really start to come together when we finally paint it. We did some more stuff. We got the AC lines out. Wanted to update you guys. Starting to clear up over here, you know. My neighbor gave this dope light too, so we'll actually have good lighting, be able to work later and stuff. Now we got the ABS unit out of the way. We're just really trying to clear up most of this mess so we could start, you know, prepping it for paint and sanding everything down. So yeah, got the AC condenser out of here, AC lines out the way, ABS. Now we're just gonna keep working on getting all these hard lines out for the brake system and then start cleaning up some more wires. So now I'm just taking off my filter, just taking off a bunch of random stuff. Taking out this bracket that held on the ABS before. Still gonna need this bolt somehow to be able to hold my filter up. I don't know how I'm gonna do that because it's welded on. I might just have to get a bolt that goes through there to hold the filter now. Yeah, I got little pieces of wire loom all over my feet. We kind of opened up the wires to the ABS module and we cut everything going to the ABS module since we're not going to be using it. So that way we can separate this so we'll be able to better tuck everything. If you guys kind of look over, you can see that all the AC stuff is gone. A lot of the brake stuff is gone. The ABS is gone. And just a bunch of little stuff. This wiring harness has been all removed and kind of tucked. We're just really starting to come full circle. I'm sorry I didn't film too much today. You know, it's a lot of time lapses just because I didn't want to really take you guys step by step because I really don't even know in the order that I'm going. Just trying to get as much done as possible so we can get the engine bay, you know, prepped and ready for paint. Eventually get it painted, you know, and then get the motor back in and get back on the road. I'm really excited for those videos of when we put in the motor. You know, I think that's going to be a lot of fun. So if you're not subscribed already, make sure you subscribe. You can click on this little card right up here, take you to the rest of the series so you can see us pulling the motor out, draining all the fluids, disconnecting everything we need to get it out, and us picking up our new JDM motor, which we have over there from JDM in California. So that was also a really fun day. Today was just a lot of little stuff. Wasn't too much to film. I got this fender off. You guys saw how to take the fender off earlier. Just, you know, tucking a lot of wires, cleaning up stuff, making it look real pretty for when the new engine bay goes back in. I'm super sick. I'm really not feeling too good from my allergies, so that's why I didn't talk too much in this video, but give it a like if you guys like the content. You know, if you guys like what you're seeing, if you like the channel. Comment below what color you'd like to see us paint the engine bay, because we still haven't decided yet. Really like to hear from you guys. And thank you guys so much for watching. And remember, what your mind can conceive and believe, you can achieve. Peace out.
Bye bye, air filter.